So this game is what I'm calling ball, multiples and multiplication ball. It's a takeoff of beach ball math, and I just changed it a little. So there's actually two activities in one. One of them is the multiplication game, and that's on the white. And on every white pentagon, there is a number between 2 and 11. And what you do is somebody throws it to you and you catch it. We're going to use our pointer fingers for this. What do your pointer fingers touch? So right now my pointer finger is touching 8 and my pointer finger is touching 2. So 2 times 8 is 16. So you throw it, you catch it. This time my pointer fingers are on 3. And it looks like on nothing, so I'm going to have to say 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. So it's multiplication. Now you'll notice that there's also barcodes on here, and there's also words of warning and where it's created and all that, and I marked those as free. So if I catch the ball, okay, let's say I catch it like this, then I can take 6 times free. What does free mean? That means I can choose. I get to freely choose what number I want. I can choose 0. 6 times 0 is 0. I can choose 1. I can choose 10. I can choose, if I have a smart aleck, I can see choosing 15. Okay, and they're going to multiply 6 times any number that they choose. And this is a game that you won't want to play slowly. So throw, catch, multiply. They have to say the numbers. They multiply. They throw it to the next person. If they're wrong, they sit down. If not, they keep going. So they touch it, say the number. So 9 times free, 9 times 0 is 0. Throw it. Then somebody else catches it. And when they catch it, they have 4 times 7, 28. And they throw it to the next person. So they say the numbers that they touch. And I said pointer fingers, you can use thumbs. You can use whatever you want to. Thumbs is a little hard to demonstrate on a video. That's the multiplication game. The other game is the multiples game, and that's where you play with the blue. The blue have numbers that are 12 and higher, and these are numbers that you are going to find the multiples of, but you're going to find them just 2 numbers that multiply together. So I catch it right here. I'm going to use my thumb, and it's a 24. Then I say what multiplies to 24, and there's lots of choices. So I can use 2 times 12, I can use 3 times 8, I can use 4 times 6. I'm going to not probably allow 1 times 24. Those are multiples, but I want them to use other numbers. So you catch, and wherever your thumb or your finger or whatever you decide for the day, where does it land? So I could use this one, 44. Well, that's 2 times 22 or 4 times 11. So I can just decide that. Now, the other thing that actually is really good for is that it leads into Algebra 1 when we're factoring and we're multiplying, we're factoring and we have to find the factors in pairs. So this would be a good warm-up that I could use in algebra also. So yay. So this is multiplication and multiples ball. So ball is what I'm going to call it. This ball I bought at Dollar Tree for about $1.40, and then I used a permanent marker. The only suggestion I would make is, as you can see, these numbers on the blue are a little hard to read, so I would maybe use a different color marker than black. So here's ball, and just a variation off of beach ball math.